Aldosterone acts on distal tubules and collecting ducts of the kidney and causes following effects. Number one, it causes function of or effects of aldosterone. It causes reabsorption of sodium from tubular fluid, reabsorption from tubular fluid into the renal tubular epithelial cells. Its effect of potassium excretion is that in the kidney, the active reabsorption of sodium occurs in exchange of potassium and hydrogen ion. So the effect on potassium excretion in kidney, active reabsorption of sodium occurs in exchange of potassium and hydrogen ions. Thus, aldosterone not only causes reabsorption of sodium but also it causes excretion of potassium from renal tubular epithelial cells. The effect of aldosterone on hydrogen ion excretion is that aldosterone also enhances the secretion of hydrogen ion as sodium is reabsorbed. So aldosterone causes H plus ion, increased tubular secretion, as in return sodium ion is reabsorbed. The effect of aldosterone, ammonium and magnesium, their excretion is also increased by aldosterone. Their excretion is also increased. Aldosterone increases reabsorption of sodium from GIT, salivary glands and sweat glands. Reabsorption of sodium from GIT, sweat gland and salivary gland. Aldosterone may also increase the level of potassium in the muscle and brain, and it may also decreases the level of sodium in the muscle and brain. Increase potassium levels, muscle and brain, sodium levels in muscles and brain. There are two abnormalities associated with aldosterone, that is hyperaldosteronism and hypoaldosteronism. In hyperaldosteronism, excessive aldosterone secretion leads to increased plasma sodium potassium concentration ratio due to the increased excretion of potassium. Decline in urine sodium potassium concentration ratio due to increased potassium excretion and decreased sodium excretion. Plasma sodium potassium concentration ratio due to increased excretion of potassium. Decline in urine sodium potassium concentration ratio due to decrease sodium excretion and increase potassium excretion. Removal of adrenal cortex leads to loss of excess water, but the loss of sodium is more than that of water. So removal of adrenal cortex leads to loss of excess water and sodium, but loss of sodium is more than water. Removal of adrenal cortex result in extracellular fluid volume will be decreased. Extracellular fluid volume will be decreased. Decrease in extracellular fluid volume may lead to hypotension, dehydration, circulatory collapse, finally death. Decrease in extracellular fluid volume may lead to hypotension, dehydration, circulatory collapse, and ultimately death. Retention of potassium may lead to hyperkalemia, dehydration, and circulatory collapse. Potassium level increased, that causes hyperkalemia, that lead to dehydration and circulatory collapse. Daily output of aldosterone is 0.15 microgram per dl and plasma level of aldosterone is 0.006 microgram per dl. The structure of aldosterone and SAR of aldosterone. So the numbering will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You can either call it 18 or 19, or you can call it either 18 or 19. So 18, 19, 20, 21. That is the structure of aldosterone. There is presence of hydroxyl group at 11 beta position and 21 position, so it is called 11 beta 21 dihydroxy. There is presence of oxo group at 3 position and 20th position, so it is also called 11 beta 21 dihydroxyl 320 dioxo. There is presence of double bond at 4th position, so it is called preg 4-ene, and presence of aldehyde group at 18th position or 19th position 18L. Aldehyde. The presence of keto group at 3 position is essential for the activity, that is the keto group. That is essential for the activity, that is your first SAR. Presence of double bond between 4 and 5 position is essential for the activity, that is the double bond that is present between 4 and 5 position, that is your second structure activity relationship. If you bring halogenation at 6 and 9 position, it will enhances the activity of the drug. That is the 6 and 9 position and halogenation, especially fluorine, and that will increase the activity. That is your third SAR. If you bring any substitution on 16 position, it will decrease the activity of aldosterone or any other mineralocorticoid. That is the 16th position. If you bring any kind of substitution here, that will decrease the activity. That is your fourth SAR. Hydroxyl group at 21 position is essential for the activity. That is the hydroxyl group that is present on 21st carbon, and that is essential for the activity. That is your fifth SAR. 11 beta hydroxy group is required for glucocorticoid activity, but not necessarily needed in mineralocorticoid activity. That hydroxyl group is preferable in glucocorticoid activity, but not necessarily needed in mineralocorticoid. So their removal will not affect the activity of aldosterone. Double bond between 1 and 2 carbon increases the glucocorticoid activity and decreases mineralocorticoid activity. That is first and second, and there is presence of double bond will increase glucocorticoid activity and decrease mineralocorticoid activity. That double bond increases anti-inflammatory action. Of glucocorticoid.